Hey everyone, it's Gem and Jess, and this is episode 13 of What's in the Box. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing a diamond painting from Diamond Painting Factory UK. Disclaimer before I do that, you might hear a little noise in the background sometime during the video. I live next to a freeway off-ramp, so if you do, then I'm apologizing in advance. Okay, let's find out what's in this box. I had to already kind of open it because my address was on the front. So I'm going to take, but this is how it came with like the trash bag looking thing in it, or on it. So yeah, the reason why I'm opening this particular diamond painting today is because I'm pretty sure this is going to be the diamond painting that I'm going to be doing for the diamond painting event Drills and Chills that starts September 1st through Halloween Day, October 30th or 31st, one of those. Yeah, so if you're interested in joining or doing the event, I will put their Facebook group link down below in the description box. So it came with that cover and then this box, plain box. Oh, it has Sammy's name on it. That's so funny. Yeah, so it comes like this. This is my boyfriend's name, but it's a 40 by 55 centimeter full round drill, and this is called Lady Moth. Is that how it came? Yeah, I guess that's all that's in the box. So let me open this. I hope everyone's having a great start of the week, because when I post this video it will be the beginning of Monday. This is also a poured glue adhesive canvas, so that's cool. If I can get this open. Whoa, don't want to stab myself. Okay. At least it's like not that much of a mess to open. Okay, so since it is poured glue, I'm going to, here's the drills. We'll check those out in a little bit. I'm going to roll this backwards so it can be a little more flattened. Okay, so here's the toolkit it came with. A little green bow, a rectangle of wax, some steel tweezers that have the little like bent part at the top, and one pen with a multi-placer at the end, and a blue squishy. Okay, now here's the canvas. I can't get the whole thing up. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Oh. There you go. Go down. That's as much as I can do, I think. But isn't she pretty? I've had this canvas for so long. So it's got two legends, one up here and one down here. And then it says the website and like the steps right here. The drill field looks very clear. I'm sort of impressed. See the drill field? I don't see any hard to see symbols. It looks like there's dummy circles on the symbols. See the little circles around them? But that doesn't bother me too much. Dummy circles are like circles around the symbol for people that I guess have a hard time doing it, or I don't know why they do that, to be honest. And then it'll have the size up here and it'll say round or square, and then it says Diamond Painting Factory up here. Okay. So yeah, she's very beautiful. I'm really impressed. Let me measure this. It's supposed to be a 40 by 55 centimeters. So let's see. Is this centimeter? Yes. Let me do the image because it might just be the image. Yep. Oh, it's a little short actually, the image, unless it's supposed to be the canvas. Let me check. No, yeah, the image is it's 40. Hold on. It's 54, not 55, but that's okay. And it is on the dot for 40 centimeters, so it's like 1 centimeter off for the length. But that's really no big deal, I guess. It's just 1 centimeter, you know? So, yeah. So at least it pretty much almost measures to size. There is, how many colors? 27 colors on here, which is not too bad at all. It didn't come with an inventory sheet, so that kind of sucks. So I'm gonna have to count and make sure there's all the colors here. Let me get these drills out. Oh, something fell. Sorry about the loud cars. Okay, hold on. Ooh, a lot of 310s, alright. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna move this for now. Let me count these, make sure we have all the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. Cool. So all the drills are there, at least color-wise. Alright, let's check these out. DMC 900. The drills look really nice. I don't see one bit of trash so far now that I'm looking at these. DMC 3023. DMC 3721. DMC 823. DMC 919, 919. DMC 844, DMC 758, lots of 310s I'm assuming. It doesn't say what they are, but they look black to me, so DMC 3828, I hope you can see that okay, sorry about the glare. DMC 150, DMC 3689, DMC 3363, DMC, oh gosh, of course an ambulance is gonna come, 898, sorry about the sirens, DMC 3768, DMC 819, DMC 815, pretty red, DMC 3861, DMC 754, DMC 726, DMC 223, DMC, well a lot of these, 902, it's like a pretty reddish purplish color, DMC 931, DMC 3750, DMC 3328, DMC 3712, DMC, oh gosh, I think this is 890, it's like a dark green, and last, DMC 813, a little blue. So those are the drills. So grateful that all of them are here, all the colors, because I ordered this forever ago, it seems like. One last look at the pretty canvas. Got roses and like moss with little skulls on it. See the little skull right here? So freaking cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, so Drills and Chills is just a diamond painting event, but you can also do cross stitch, paint by numbers, whatever, mostly like a crafting event, and it's based around Halloween or autumn theme, like, so if you want to do it, participate, like I said, the link will be down below. It's just fun, something to do. I did it last year, I think, too, so, and it was fun. I'm really excited to do this. So yeah, there's Diamond Painting Factory UK. I ordered this back in November 30th of 2020 and received it January 2nd, 2021. So it took about a little over a month to come, which is not too bad considering it came from China. I'm pretty sure it came from China. They might they also have paintings that come from the UK too, I think, unless things have changed. And this is a licensed artist. The artist is Sarah Richer. So they do have licensed artists there, which is awesome. This, when I ordered it, cost me $28. I had a discount that took off $2.80. And the company had, at the time, free shipping. I think they still do, but I could be wrong. But the total amount I paid for this diamond painting was $25.20. However, when I checked on it today, it said that this same size cost $31.88. So it seems the price has gone up a little bit since I ordered mine. But yeah. So anyone who is watching this, thank you. And I hope you enjoyed episode 13 of What's in the Box. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. I appreciate all of my viewers and subscribers, and hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day or night, wherever you may be, and I will see you next time. Bye!